Hello students, now we discuss about mixture. Mixture is a impure substance made up of two or more compounds, or we can say that when two or more compounds are mechanically mixed together in any proportion to form a mixture. Some example of mixture is blood, tea and air. Air is a mixture of different gases. Air is a mixture of different gases. Tea is a mixture of sugar, milk and water. Now discuss the property of mixture. Here we discuss some main properties of mixture. The first properties of mixture is the components are mixed mechanically in any proportion. But in case of compound, different components are mixed together in a fixed proportion. But in case of mixture, components are mixed mechanically in any proportion. The identity of elements and compound is not changed in a mixture. Components of mixture can be separated by physical process such as sieving, filtration and evaporation. Now, the formation of mixture does not involve any energy exchange. Now we discuss about the types of mixture. There are two types of mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Here the homo term is used, which means same. Hetero means different. Homo means same and hetero means different. When same composition and properties, when those mixture which are having same composition and properties are called homogeneous mixture, and those mixture which are having different composition and properties are called heterogeneous mixture. In the another word, we can say that components are distributed uniformly. Same composition property means components are distributed uniformly throughout the mixture. In homogeneous mixture, components are distributed uniformly throughout the mixture. But in case of heterogeneous mixture, components are not distributed uniformly throughout the mixture. Now we take some example of homogeneous mixture. The example of homogeneous mixture is sugar solution, salt, milk and air. In sugar solution, sugar are distributed uniformly in water. Same in case of salt. Salt is also distributed uniformly throughout the mixture in water solution. Now we take some example of heterogeneous mixture. For example, oil in water. Oil are not uniformly distributed. Oil are not distributed uniformly in water, throughout the water. The mixture of salt and sand, the mixture of chalk and water. This type of mixture, heterogeneous mixture, is called immiscible mixture. That means when two or more components do not easily soluble in each other, do not mix with each other easily, is called immiscible mixture. Immiscible mixture means in which components do not easily mix with each other. Thank you.